Pablo, ay lang. Wait, thank you, man. Kamusta ang buhay? Ito, pagod. But it's nice. Waves don't die. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Waves don't die, no, no. Waves don't die, no. We don't lie. Waves don't die, no, no. Panoorin nyo music video. Eh. Tagum City. What's up from Tagum City? Don't lie. Waves don't die, no, yeah. Shout out from Macau. Hello, what's up? What's up, everyone? Yeah. Ayun po, panoorin niyo yung music video ng The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Yes, 8 p.m. Thank you all so much. And recently, yung I just won an award, yun. I want to celebrate it, not because of that certain award, pero maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng tao na nag-impluwensya, sa lahat sa inyo na talagang like kayo talaga yung nag-inspire sa akin para gawin lahat ng mga bagay nito. And hindi ko naman siya ginagawa para sa mga award or anything. Ginagawa ko siya kasi firstly, gusto ko siyang gawin. I'm able to release lahat ng emotions through my music. Siyempre, it's like also like my diary. I've never chased anything naman na katulad ng mga ganung bagay. Pero, papasalamat ako dahil maraming talagang nakare-relate sa mga ginagawa ko. And as long as you guys are there to support me, to listen to my music, I will do it. Regardless of anything, kung may award man o wala. Yeah. And kung ano pa man yan, wag na kayo magtalo. Kasi may mga nakikita ako nagtatalo pa dahil sa awards. Dang, man. I mean, we do this for love. We do this for love. For peace. Waves don't die, no, no. And maraming salamat pala sa lahat ng nanood ng una short film. Salamat sa suporta nyo. And magkakaroon kayo ng glimpse of what happened in the short film dito sa music video. So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta. You guys are the best, man. This year has been full of blessings. Ang dami nangyari. Ang daming ganap. Ang dami kong natutunan. Ang dami kong stress. But that's fine, man. You know. Wala namang tagumpay kung walang mga problema. Lalim, bro. Pablo Robinson. Ilang minutes left? I think it's 23 minutes left before the premiere of the music video. Sana panoorin nyo, man. Sheesh. Malakas na aura. Anong kakaiba? Tsak nagsimula na kung malabog mga tambulot na kampana, di naging madali ang transformation. Ilang beses na muntik ka na maikahon, noon pa yun, noong ngayon, ito na, lulong sa walang katapos ang ampas ng mga alon at na mabaliw na sa musik. Oh, baby, ika'y galing sa ibang planeta. Ika'y galing sa ibang planeta. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel your touch in the pouring rain. And the moment that you under fire from me. I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warming. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. God, we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down, and they all should let us be. You belong. Ayun, manood kayo ng The Voice Kids every Sunday, 7 p.m. bago ako matapos dito sa live na to. And of course, sa December 3, sa Akon concert sa Vibe Manila. I'm so excited! But yes, I'm just excited to perform there sa big stage. Because, you know, that's the closest that I'm ever going to have a concert. Anyway, check my social media soon para sa mga ganap ko. Wala kang break sa kita, pero ibabalik ko. Forward na nauuna na si Pablo. Pansin mo, please. What? Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your skin. Then you begin to make it better. Hey Jude, don't be afraid. You are made to go out and get her. The minute you let her into your ano lyrics na? To make it better. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain. Don't carry the world up on your shoulder. And anytime titigas ng mga ulo na ito mga to. Gutom ako ah. Wow. Pag pumunta, ano ba? Salamanca, encantada. Sana nga mula pa nakaukit sa akin ang sigaw ng damdamin. Salamanca, encantada. Sana nga talaga nagmula pa nakaukit sa akin ang sigaw ng damdamin.